Installation of Windows and Kali Linux. So now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, I will show you that how to install Windows 10 operating system inside VMware Workstation, and then how you can install Kali Linux operating system inside VMware. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open VMware Workstation inside your main operating system, and then I'm going to show you Windows installation. So this is VMware Workstation that we have installed in this section before, right? Now we have Windows 10 ISO inside our main operating system. So you can simply create a new virtual machine inside it, and basically you just need to follow the instruction and you can easily install Windows 10. I'm just showing you the initial process of Windows 10 installation. So what you can do here, you can simply click on File, you can click on New Virtual Machine. So this is New Virtual Machine. There are two types of configuration, typical and custom. Recommended is typical, so select typical, click Next. So there are three options basically: install a disk image file, and I will install the operating system data. So as we already have ISO file, so we can select the second one. You can click Browse, click basically browse where your Windows 10 ISO is available. So click Windows 10 operating system and click OS, and this is my Windows 10 ISO file. Click Open, right, and hit Next, and here you can type the name of that machine, right? Then you can hit Next. You need to provide here the size of Windows operating system, so you can provide a 30 GB or 40 GB, doesn't matter. For example, 30 GB. Click Store Virtual Disk in a single file, right? Hit Next. Customize hardware. You can click Customize hardware here. You can select the network adapter here, so you can click on Bridge. You can also check your memory. It should be 2 GB. Processors 2 GB. Click Close. And if you want, then you can also change it to 60 GB, doesn't matter, right? If you have space, then you can type 60 GB. Click Next. We have already set it to Bridge network, right? 2048 MB memory, 60 GB hard disk, right? And click Finish. Now it will create a disk for you, and then you just need to follow the instructions like normal Windows, and then you will be able to install Windows 10 operating system inside VMware Workstation. So this is the initial process of Windows 10 installation in VMware Workstation. So now you can see here, guys, that we have successfully installed Windows 10 operating system, right? That was the initial process, and as I already told you that you just need to follow the instructions and you can easily install Windows 10 inside VMware Workstation. Now let me show you that how you can install Kali Linux operating system inside VMware Workstation. So guys, this is Kali Linux folder inside D drive, right? And I already told you in the previous video that if you open it, then you can see these all files available inside it, right? So how you can open this Kali Linux image for VMware Workstation? Pretty easy. You don't need to install it, right? You can simply run it inside VMware Workstation. So you can see the fourth file, which is VMware Virtual Machine Configuration file, which is around 4 KB, right? You just need to double click here and it will automatically open up inside Kali Linux operating system. So you can double click here and you just need to wait here. It will open up. Here it is, right? So you just need to click on power on, click I copied it, hit enter. So now it is opening inside VMware Workstation. As I already told you that there is no need of installation here because this is image for VMware Workstation, right? If you have downloaded that normal kind of ISO file, then you need installation, but in this condition you don't need, because this is particularly for VMware Workstation, right? So basically now it is processing and it will open up inside Kali Linux. So it will open up inside VMware, and here you can see that we got the graphical user interface of Kali Linux operating system, right? So to log in here, you can use username as root ROOT, click Next, and you can use the password TOOR, TOOR, right? And click sign in. So now you will be able to log in inside Kali Linux operating. This is by default username and password, root and tool inside Kali Linux VMware machines, right? So after typing the username and password, then you will be able to get the graphical user interface of Kali Linux operating system. So you just need to wait here. So here you can see guys that we have successfully installed Windows 10 and Kali Linux operating system inside VMware Workstation. Let me make it full size. So this is Kali Linux operating system and here it is Windows 10 operating system. So we have successfully installed both the operating systems inside VMware Workstation. In the next video we are going to learn that how you can update Kali Linux operating system. Thank you.